we are with In the Rain. I remember playing this game in the prototype version, and I remember it was a bit raw. So I was really hoping to see some improvements because I really want to see a very good game. So let's see how now it has become. It makes a bit to play full screen. It is taking a while, actually. Oh, here we are. Hmm, I can see a cool menu. Oh, there is like a lore, a tutorial. Very sad, actually. There. I think that the rain may be oh, cool with the music. I feel the rain could be actually a meaning for the interior sadness. Press spacebar to jump. Press it twice to double jump. Double jump. Further places, press shift while in the air to glide. Oh, cool. Now there is a cool gliding animation. While in the air, press E to use your. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. I burned the old textbooks. Tears falling on the edges of limbs consume them. Okay. No, I really want to read it. I like that you decided to concentrate yourself more on a story-based game or lore-based game. This for instance, there is no world for you, no life to sustain me. It was the day before I set on my journey. Okay. Press J to destroy obstacles. Oh, there is a new animation. Nice. Another heart. Your umbrella is no real project. It absorbs the rain to channel it into magic abilities. Ah, wow. Okay. I was no but a fleeting shadow in the corner of your gaze. Quite sad. Press L to use magic abilities. Ah, okay, I remember it. I can turn. Yeah, I like more. I like more the animations now. Okay. No. Ah, it's like this. Oh wow, there's another level. Cool. This is heavy rain. And what are those thunders? Oh, I like there is a heavy metal music, rock music, something like that. Cool. Oh, quite hard. Actually, I see as a possible problem. Uh, the fact that it's not clear actually what is the purpose to have a life bar, because I see that indistinguishably I restart always from the same point. Also, it is that these moving platforms are a bit problematic because are you slipper on them, and it's not very clear when these white clouds are okay or I cannot jump on them. Uh, I mean, there were a lot of improvements with respect to the prototype version, so I'm here to give you my applause, my congrats, actually. You did a great job. Um, I like that it's more story-based because I think it's the right path for your game. Oh, the problem is the fact that here it's not clear some stuff, like when some clouds are interactable or no, or these platforms that are very annoying to go on them because they are very, very slippery. I don't know if it's intended or not. Anyway, they are hard to control. Mo oh, come here, come here, come here. Moreover, another possible problem is the fact that the health bar here is basically useless because you even if you lose all your art, will restart always from the same point. Everyone seems to think they are remarkable, but I feel like the only one the world didn't need. They went out of the shop rolling door and you were saying, some people just able to figure out. And it wasn't about me, it was still appeared in my head to the ball and cry. Very sad. Yeah, I think it's like an interior war. Very sad. Mm. I have to say, please not from the start. Oh, okay. I have to say one very good thing about you, your game, that is actually the fact that a lot of games try to follow this emotional path, but so far you are the best one. On this Sunday, you gave me a gift. I never opened it, even the ribbon felt heavy in my hands. Gifts are such burdens, they make the receiver wonder why and how to repay. Eh, that is a nice point of reflection. Oh, what the fuck? Faro? Every step requires full attention. I need everything, don't just choose my path, nor to choose myself. I cry under the weight of burdens only I seem to carry. Others walk by. When can I see the sky? When I can see the stars? It remember me the text of Number from Linkin Park. Fun. Okay. Oh, cool. We are on a mountain. Reconstruct memories by gathering all the fragments. What are these toes? Ah! Oh, those are fragments. Now I see. No, by the way, I have to say one thing. Open your umbrella upside down to break the ice. J, L, E, E. Okay. Okay, this level is very, very good because it's different from the others. So I have to keep my clothes because you actually managed to improve a lot your prototype. So congrats. I already mentioned some problems or issues I encountered, so I want to give you my clothes for things that are actually very good. For example, level design, I like it very much. I like the file, and I like the fact that you differentiated the third level to avoid monotonicity. Il gioco è meno monotono. Mm. The fact that you have to recover all these little pieces, that there is a lore, that it wants to be a introspective game. I also like the music, so great job. Really, really great job. I'm positively surprised.